you want people to have families, that's the answer. Jien nemmen li għandna morru lura għal single income household, which would help a lot society. I'm not saying women go back to home, but we should, today it's become an obligation that both people work. It should become an option. Aħna ġġara, meta ndaħlu n-nisa xogħol, il-workforce id-dubjat. Ċinti mort minn għandek workforce ta' ma nafx kemm
ta' X, ta' għal 2X.
U għal 2X. Ġġara, minn flok talat il-paga ta' X. Minna divide by 2, tajni għazawx minn nies. Għax kieku l-workforce kienet tkun nofsa u kellna bil-force supply and demand nollu l-om il-paga. Il-nis li baqgħu fil-workforce. Minn flok, we divided the wages in two.
Jo għamilna l-affarijiet jiswaw il-doppju.
Probably both, let's be honest. Meta nixad najdu li AI will render many people redundant. Mela, neħi dik il-workforce li tintileft mullu raddar u l-extra wealth produced by AI. Inti ħpagi n-nis li jibqaw ix-xogħol. People not having families, mandomx ċans ikollhom familja.